Maybe the girls can sneak away so that we can see what is happening there. 50 years ago, we were not there. Today, we are here. We're celebrating Museveni. I am not sure that we can serve champagne here, but we can raise glasses, all of you, and we toast to the good health of Museveni and Mama. Those who are serving drinks, make sure the glasses are full. As Museveni and Mama toast to each other, everybody on the screen, to the good health of Museveni and Mama. Cheers! Congratulations! Cheers!
In a small church in England, where my mother and the family of my late uncle, John Kazora, were living at that time in exile. At that time, this group you see in white today, and myself, who is welcoming you, were not in the picture at all. Obviously, other than the two Bagore. Therefore, the Thanksgiving on this day and the befitting celebration of these 50 years is really to thank God, who has been so faithful to these two people, our parents.
Our Bagole today have been a very good example of this for us for 50 years now. As a country, our need for their adult supervision is not a thing of the past. While they have both nurtured and guided us through storm and tempest, today as ever, we still run to them in difficult times. During the COVID pandemic, many of you will remember, some of the people who are loud on social media and who are disoriented and are perennial victims of foreign media like CNN and such, were always on the local news. They would religiously switch to UBC to watch the presidential address. So they were not taking public health advice from the Wazungu, they were taking it from their president. So like children, we are fiercely independent until danger strikes, then we run back to our parents. So on this 50th anniversary, I'd like to celebrate Mzee and Mama and thank God for their lives. Jubilee in the Bible is a time for restoration. So Mzee and Mama, we pray